A long time ago, I bought this teapot. Over the years, I've continued collecting white and blue kitchenware, and now that I found a home in Paris, it is time to display them on a shelf. There was nothing in the kitchen when I moved in, but I found boards on the side of the street in front of my building. I tried to strip them, but eventually just painted over them. Just a few more finishing touches. I found these IKEA lights at the thrift store for a couple euros. And voila! And now for the fun part.